In a world where most vehicles are built to follow the road, the 2026 Caterpillar COLOSSUS 10x10 is engineered to conquer what lies beyond it. Born from the industrial DNA of Caterpillar Inc., a brand synonymous with earth-moving giants and unbreakable machinery, the COLOSSUS 10x10 doesn't just enter the automotive scene, it reshapes it. This is not a conventional truck. It's a statement of force, precision, and unapologetic American engineering. The first time you see the Colossus in person, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a mobile fortress. Standing tall on 10 massive all-terrain wheels, its proportions challenge your sense of scale. The front fascia is unapologetically bold, with a towering grille carved in industrial metal mesh, framed by angular LED light signatures that glow like the eyes of a machine built for endurance. The hood stretches forward with purpose, sculpted with functional vents and reinforced ridges that hint at the power contained beneath. From the side profile, the 10x10 drivetrain becomes the visual centerpiece. 5 axles, evenly distributed, create a sense of unstoppable balance. Each wheel well is armored, not for aesthetics, but for genuine protection against debris, rock strikes, and punishing terrain. The body panels are constructed from high-strength composite alloys, blending military-grade toughness with modern refinement. Despite its brute presence, there's a surprising elegance in its symmetry. Every line serves a purpose. Every surface tells a story of resilience. Climb up into the cabin, yes, climb, because this machine demands it, and you're welcomed into an environment that defies expectations. Instead of a raw, industrial cockpit, the Colossus offers a refined command center. The interior blends rugged textures with premium materials, brushed aluminum accents, reinforced leather seating, and carbon fiber trim elements that feel both durable and sophisticated. The seats are wide, heavily bolstered, and engineered for long-haul comfort, with heating, ventilation, and adaptive suspension cushioning that absorbs vibration before it reaches your spine. The driving position is commanding in every sense. You don't just see the road, you oversee it. A panoramic windshield stretches across the front, providing expansive visibility, while a network of exterior cameras eliminates blind spots across its massive footprint. A fully digital instrument cluster presents real-time data in crisp clarity, torque distribution across all 10 wheels, suspension articulation angles, terrain response settings, and engine performance metrics. At the heart of the 2026 Colossus 10x10 lies its mechanical masterpiece, a 15.2-liter twin-turbocharged diesel V12 engineered specifically for extreme load applications. This powerplant produces a staggering 1,200 horsepower and over 2,500 pound-feet of torque. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. The way this engine delivers power is what defines the experience. At idle, there's a deep, resonant hum, a controlled mechanical heartbeat that reminds you this machine was born from heavy industry. Press the throttle, and the response is immediate yet measured. The twin turbos spool with a low whistle, followed by a tidal wave of torque that feels almost effortless. There's no frantic surge, no chaotic acceleration. Instead, the Colossus moves forward with an unstoppable, deliberate force, like tectonic plates shifting beneath the earth. The 10x10 drivetrain is not just for spectacle. Each axle is independently managed through an advanced torque vectoring system, ensuring optimal traction on mud, snow, sand, or rock. In off-road mode, the suspension rises hydraulically, increasing ground clearance to monumental levels. Watching the chassis articulate over uneven terrain is mesmerizing. One wheel climbs over a boulder while another descends into a rut, yet inside the cabin, the ride remains astonishingly composed. On American highways, the Colossus feels surprisingly stable. Despite its immense size, adaptive steering and rear axle guidance systems make lane changes controlled and predictable. The air suspension automatically adjusts for speed, lowering the ride height for improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Wind noise is minimal, thanks to acoustic insulation that rivals luxury SUVs. It's a surreal experience, piloting something this massive, yet feeling such refinement. Technology plays a central role in defining the COLOSSUS's personality. A central 17-inch touchscreen serves as the command hub, integrating navigation, vehicle diagnostics, terrain mapping, and off-grid connectivity. Satellite-linked GPS allows overland explorers to venture far beyond cellular networks, while integrated drone deployment capability offers aerial reconnaissance at the touch of a button. Yes, this machine comes equipped with a built-in launch system for a compact exploration drone, reinforcing its expedition-ready identity. Safety features are equally advanced. Adaptive cruise control has been recalibrated for heavy-duty towing scenarios. Autonomous emergency braking accounts for the vehicle's immense mass and stopping distance. A 360-degree radar array constantly scans the environment, providing real-time feedback to prevent collisions in tight off-road conditions or urban maneuvering. Yet, for all its technical brilliance, what truly defines the 2026 Caterpillar COLOSSUS 10x10 is its character. This is not a vehicle for subtle entrances. It doesn't whisper luxury, it projects authority. Whether parked at a remote desert campsite or rolling through a downtown cityscape, it commands attention without trying. And then there's the real-world ride experience. Imagine cresting a rocky incline in the mountains of Colorado, the diesel engine delivering unwavering torque as gravel crunches beneath 10 synchronized tires. Imagine crossing a shallow river, water splashing against armored underbody plates, while the cabin remains serene and dry. Or picture a long-haul journey across the American Midwest, towing heavy equipment with absolute confidence, the engine barely breaking a sweat. Fuel efficiency, while not its primary mission, is surprisingly optimized for its class. Advanced injection systems and cylinder deactivation technology allow the Colossus to operate in reduced output mode during light cruising. It's a reminder that even giants can be intelligent. Practicality hasn't been ignored either. The rear cargo system is modular, allowing configurations for expedition living, industrial transport, or emergency response conversion. Optional integrated solar panels on the roof can power auxiliary systems when off-grid. There's even a built-in water purification module for extended wilderness travel, underscoring the vehicle's go-anywhere philosophy. As the sun sets and the LED lighting signature illuminates the terrain ahead, the Colossus transforms into something almost cinematic. Its silhouette against the horizon feels like a symbol of human ambition, the relentless drive to build bigger, stronger, and more capable machines. Driving it isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about experiencing the journey from a higher vantage point, both literally and emotionally. There's a sense of security inside its reinforced frame, a confidence that few vehicles can offer. You feel insulated from chaos, yet fully connected to the environment through its intelligent systems. In a market saturated with crossovers and predictable pickups, the 2026 Caterpillar COLOSSUS 10x10 stands alone. It blurs the line between commercial power and luxury exploration. It takes the industrial heritage of Caterpillar and reimagines it for a new generation of adventurers, builders, and visionaries. This isn't a truck for everyone, and it was never meant to be. It's for those who see obstacles as invitations. For those who believe capability should never be compromised. For those who understand that sometimes, bigger isn't just better, it's necessary. The 2026 Caterpillar COLOSSUS 10x10 doesn't follow the road. It creates its own path. And in doing so, it reminds us that the spirit of American engineering is still alive, still ambitious, and still ready to move mountains, literally.